Test C question, compound shape area. It is area, look, the other one's perimeter. We've got a shape made of a sector, and the radius is 12, a square of side 4, a triangle ACF, that's a right angle, and this is 4, that's 12, theta's down here, look. Okay, so there's a couple of ways of doing this. We could, no, one way of doing it, just going to do one way. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, we need to know what the angle is. So that's SOHCAHTOA, so theta. We can find this angle, so theta is equal to 90 minus alpha, and alpha in the right angle triangle, we've got a hypotenuse of 12, one of the sides is 4, and that's alpha. So sine of alpha is equal to 4 over 12, which is a third. So alpha is sine minus 1 of a third. And we could call that beta because this is also then the same. Because these two angles here, because it's a right angle there, these two angles need to add up to 90. And these two add up to 90 because we're told that BAE is we assume BAE is a right angle. And when that happens, beta equals theta equals cos minus 1 to a third. And in radians, that's 1.2309 something or other. I think shift menu to 2, shift cos 1 divided by 3, 1.2309, 59417. And once we know that, the area I think is fairly straightforward. Total area equals square plus triangle plus sector. So the square is 4 by 4, 16. The triangle is 4 by this side. Well, we can use pi factor to work out this side. 12 squared take away 4 squared is my way of doing it. There's a smaller triangle in there, which is a scale factor of 12 and 4, 3 and 1. So this is 3 squared take away 1 squared is root 8 or 2 root 2. And so the long one is 4 times bigger. So it's 8 root 2. So the area of the triangle is half times 4 times 8 root 2. And then plus the sector, which is half r squared, which is 12, theta, which is 1.23095 9, and that's equal to 16 plus a half times 4 times 8 is 16 root 2's plus a half of 12 squared, which is 72. Let's get rid of that. 72 times shift cos 1 divided by 3, 127.25. 56495. And so you need, which you can't see there, those are the 4 available answers. We want the 127.26.